metia wo mo na omoteto eti wo fe safa aha na wo egu mi saa na Nice one. James, I'm already goalkeeper. Kid, you are Swako.
Making sure somebody born ever cost run born here with me about but then I can go the area over to me about yes but the game now scoreline you be saying your ball you know the most important thing is to make sure say when you will win one more over to me had a very good chance to cross the ball and the cross was very poor a copy one Kasana brand here your big Chris get ya for the trash I go kick for a hard to they should still do more and do better. Abona kuta house of work awaiting a boss in cross number. Ejekoyem Waponchi Asako Shrad what a bona to Anshane 1-1 Abosot Ekuse from goalkeeper. What a save Benjamin Nasari. Oh Bona save you. Oh I save you. I mean so well. Benjamin Nasari. He's done so well. I mean, Calvin Osesby was completely beaten, but himself again. Pressure upon pressure. Benjamin Asaya top on pressure issue. Yeah, I mean, no stretchy. The technical advice of the Ghana Football Association to Blasters and Nehoagu Pameso of Nibi. Of course, and I mean, it has been a very wonderful second half. I mean, from both sides, some of the the goalkeeper was completely beaten. Akwan was stretchy. What to me is that ball. It's, I mean, very beautiful. No wonder. I mean, Black Stars number 1 there. Now I'm out for Abago Pramazu. Also to me, Kunya, AJUD, and Penya Panso. Why say we have to focus on this situation? Yes, Adia. Anka Dreams FC Kane answer. Yes, Adia. Anka Dreams FC Ekano. Nkayati Anasa. Because and Benjamin Nasari. Who are what done? And you go kitwa. So far, Seps away at the Amapobiano. And Jomon can still keeping them. Our 3 points, you know. What was the dreams of the supporters in the Sabaya and Comuni? Goalkeeper Benjamin Asai free because we're proud. We're proud because Onuna can depend on so Edna go walk up. A corner kick in time to record my dreams of see what to the Atema Jacobium. Rompam Ponsa. Wapimbono. Now should have been no promoter for goalkeeper Benjamin Asai. Was tested twice. And was at the Atona Cocoso. Asari entertaining House of Oak supporters no.
And this is what we love. This is what we love to see. Then I want to go and the talk on
20 man Asari goalkeeper on league and I
these are some of the things you want to see in the Ghana Premier League. Them man here there and why let's say we should say nya ichine aba for supporters in Kebwa. Almost say nya can almost only ni film Dreams FC fans they say only ni film no Ghana World Cup no bukemwa president baby and I am very interesting. Oh, it's the animal. We share. The bonny idea. That was 3 years papa for her.
The bonny idea so ni pa. Na Oko House of Okedia, team security man. Aye Atarao. Baby house Bakobia no dia today Atarao. Why happy bruta? Why champion Gaza? And then our commentary position ha. As I say, any supporters na. Bonne kutaphobia. Watani. Mauli wayo. Obetime right about Numana. Mauli wayo the pass natural. Amponsa na Sarabi. Goalkeeper Kidia Siako. Asiako kutaboni tute. Kidia Siako. Wamati Dramani the perfect. What's in the corner for some more neighbors?
The O2 was the old
Did you say Bona Totinagra?
Rafael Aposa should have done better on that occasion. Bona Mauli Wayudi man. I mean, he also born but then he also born on. It was easy for goalkeeper Gideon Siaki said Siako so bit me so born my GA Dreams FC. Now here's my keeper and he me so the captain.
And the captain no person also say you man no you down quiet the car sorry. Sorry. 71 minutes. There's still House of Okuwana Dreams FC 0 our New Town. I go Pomeso up to